Good morning to everyone listening to our weekly feature Explained. Today we are very fortunate to talk to famous Dr. Berg, who is a specialist in environmental development. Today's topic will be the so-called deforestation. Good morning, Dr. Berg.
Good morning, Mr. Toon. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming. First and foremost, could you please explain what deforestation means?
Of course. When we talk about deforestation, we talk about cutting down trees. This word is normally used to describe the actions of humans in removing forests from the planet, rather than destruction caused by natural events such as hurricanes. People have been cutting down trees for thousands of years. In recent times, however, the number of forests being lost through deforestation has grown enormously. This is seen as a great problem that affects the environment in many important ways. The largest amount of deforestation is happening in tropical areas, where rainforests are being cut down. Most deforestation is permanent. Some areas do recover from this damage, but it can take many years.
Can you give a few reasons why so many trees are cut down?
Trees are cut down so their wood can be burned or used to make things such as buildings, furniture, or paper. Large areas of trees are removed so that the land can be used to grow crops or to provide places where farm animals can graze. Most of the planet's croplands were once forests, which would have covered 11 million square kilometers, which is the size of almost 31 Germanys. In tropical areas, large areas of forest are cleared in order to plant crops, for example, coffee or palm trees. These crops are grown on large farms called plantations. The people who grow them make a great deal of money selling the coffee beans and oil from the palm trees. Deforestation also takes place when people want to clear an area to build new settlements.
Aha, so there are many benefits that come from deforestation.
Of course there are many benefits. That's why there is so much deforestation. But there are not only benefits.
You mean that less oxygen is produced, which we humans and many animals need to breathe?
Exactly, but that is only one of the problems. Trees also capture carbon dioxide, one of the gases that contribute to a problem known as global warming. When they are burned, trees release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. Another problem which results from deforestation is erosion. The land can get flushed away because the trees are not there to hold the ground together. Heavy rains in such areas can wash the land down the slopes in disastrous landslides that destroy fields, homes, and human lives. In addition to that, we have to keep in mind many forests are peaceful, quiet places where people can rest or play. Forests are home to an enormous range of living things. When an area is deforested, many plants and animals are killed. Others lose their homes. Some types of living things become extinct because of deforestation, especially those that live in tropical rainforests. The traditional way of life for rainforest peoples can be greatly affected by deforestation.
There's a lot more to deforestation than I thought.
Yes, it's quite a complex topic.
Thank you for explaining it so well to myself and our listeners.
Of course, I'm glad I could help.
And with that, we are finished with our weekly feature Explained. This week with Dr. Berg, a specialist in environmental development. Next week, we will hear about where our vegetables come from and how they make it onto our plates.